Alright, it's been a minute since we've done anything, really. But we're getting the dogs ready. We're going on ourselves a little hunt. Huh? What do you guys think? We've been slacking, haven't we, Stella? Yes, we have. We've been busy working a lot. Then we're starting the process of trying to sell our house. Come on, Sterling, come here. So that's been chaos. Come here. I got a wedding. Come here. Got a wedding tomorrow. My cousin's getting married, so congratulations, Austin, if you ever watch this. And Jesse, welcome to the family. Craziness. We're gonna take these dogs out, and we're gonna have some fun before the big wedding day. And then we got birthday parties on Sunday, so it's the first they've been out in a couple weeks here. I'm gonna let them out here. Come on. So, yeah, we're just going to go let them hunt, let them run. Go see what they can't muster up here. Because, like I said, we won't have do a heck of a lot more. Well, do a heck of a lot more for the rest of the weekend. So, hopefully we find something here. He's ready. Gotta shut the door quietly. Got kids sleeping. So. Oh, I have one dog truck, and I like to put it on. I think I'm gonna put it on Stella tonight because she's Stella, come on now. She's excited. And come on. Stay. Hey. I don't want to put it on too tight, but you're making me. Alright, this is ridiculous. Quit now. Yeah, she's excited. She's a little more my tree dog. She's truly both my dogs are my pride and joy. But this little girl, she's turned into quite a hound. Aren't you? Okay. Come on. Now we gotta let Bonsai out. Come on. Come on. Hey! So we just sent him down the road. Come on, get in there. This is just terrible. Come on. You guys forgot what you're doing. Come on. Well, we got Sterling opened up. He He took off towards that slough. God, they were just sitting around me eating grass. It was driving me crazy. Well, 5 minutes I had to listen to them dogs sit there and smack their cheeks. But he's out. This Stella packed right to him, so they're covering some ground. Hopefully they're good. Like Stella to open up here and she get that dog truck going. But yeah, so we're gonna keep on letting them hunt. I gotta get this dog truck antenna up and running, and yeah. Well, I'm guessing they're on a coon. They kind of both got split up there. Stella went to the east, and Sterling, he made it. You can't see his black line, but he made it about that up to that point dang there. And Stella was over here, but they just can't seem to get it sorted out. So give them a little bit. They've been I'd say 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe not 10 minutes they've been on it. Maybe not quite. Wouldn't say any more than that though. So, we got time. It's a beautiful night. No mosquitoes. Look at that moon. My gosh. Beautiful. Well, I spoke too soon with the mosquitoes there. They found me. So we got, I'd say, a bit of a split chase now. Show you what I'm working with here, these two. Sterling's working that same track. Stella was showing treed, but she hasn't made a peep. So either she just that out of it, or Sterling just lit up again. But that could be, sometimes I think he barks when he loses the track. I don't know if anybody else has ever had a dog like that, but he's my first dog, and he's taught me a lot. So is Stella. So we got learning to do, but I'm just curious, because I think he does. I think he gets pissed sometimes, and you can barely hear him. He's down. He sounds like he's around that hole. Ironically, in the last video, I'm in the same place as I was that morning. But he kind of sounded like he was down in that hole, which could very well be the case. They like to do that. We're chasing old Slewfoot himself. Little bitty Slewfoot. Yeah, he is 270. And I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it sounds muffled. He usually sounds a lot louder than that. We'll see. Stella, she's still doing her thing. She's pretty certain there's a coon in there. She just needs to figure it out. Well, definitely have a split chase. Sterling, that hole is up there. I lost communication with him, so I don't know if he got it out of the hole or what he was doing there. But Stella's starting, I think whatever she's chasing must have jumped out of the tree and headed for the cats. but she still ain't barked. We were gonna probably start walking towards Sterling. I'm thinking he's gotta be right around one, so go wrangle him. And yeah, hopefully we get some here. He beeline straight up the ridge. He's out in this prairie stuff now. Stella's coming towards me too. Yeah, I got Stella. She didn't come. I don't know what she's doing. She just... Hey, maybe that's my fault too with putting them in the coyote pen. I don't expect too much. Sterling's really... Maybe we can get Stella up to him if she comes back to me on her own. I'm not gonna call her or nothing. But I could probably shine her with my light, but here I thought I was coming into a tree. Now we're in a grass chase. Could be a coyote. Who knows? Well, we got them both back here now. Come here. I did end up toning him. He got off onto the neighboring property, and it's a cornfield, and there's literally nothing other than probably a tile. So as we were walking out here, Stella, she stopped in front of me and it was winding. And Sterling ended up opening in there. You can kind of... Oh, this is crappy. Kind of see those trees. I did see eyes. Seen eyes somewhere up in here. Oh, there they are again. I'm kind of hoping Stella can get under them. I think Sterling's working their track backwards or something. I don't know. We'll see. The hunt ain't over yet, I guess. Well, both dogs open here. Stella... So that where that little coon was treed here, or in a tree here. I have my own theory, but there's cattails in there too, and the dogs both blew up in there in the cattails, and Stella came she came hollering out of there, but she sounds pretty certain. Oh, they got back. Sounds like they're both in the water. So I'm guessing there was one on the ground in there in the water. And they got it out. And the chase is on now. sounds like there's a lot going on. I'm gonna go ahead and say I was still located. Should stop shining my light. Caleb would not be happy. He wouldn't appreciate it. He'd be happy. Sorry, gotta do it again. Suspense is killing me. Definitely got him out. The cat's here. Yeah, she's treed. She sounds good. Girl. Yeah. This is nice and thick. Yeah. Yeah, it's still. Girl. Good girl. 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 Boy. Girl. Oh, shit. Girl, good boy, good girl. Girl, good boy. I don't know if we're gonna see him. Too cheap for a thermal. He must be catching that down. See if we can't get another angle over here. Oh God, are you kidding me? Could have crossed over onto that thing. She's been good enough for me. Let's go. Good boy, good girl. All right. Oop. Well, let's call it a night, huh, Still? Let's go, bud. Hey. Girl, good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Well, we got him caught here. We're, I'd say, everybody's a winner. And I even get a participation trophy for this one. No, it was good. They did good. So we're gonna get them out of here and head home. So that was a fun little hunt. Dogs worked good. Off to a slow start, but can't beat that. We're gonna get out of the woods here.